digital transformation. It's not just a switch, it's a journey.
Most people talk about these AI tools, wonderful things, but the key is you need data.
Data is not the new oil, but the new gold.
If you can take all of those results and feed them into the AI engine, the solution time goes from a week to 10 seconds.
We want our customers to go faster in their designs. Once you're in the cloud, you work with, I would say, throwaway development environments. The repeatability, the entire environment around it, that's one of the biggest advantages that you have.
Innovation means make the customer happy. And if the customer loves the innovation, then he's buying the innovation.
The major trend in the automotive industry is the software-defined vehicle.
The customer is looking at smart home, smart mobility, and he wants to continue living in this environment, also in the mobility space.
Development is extremely fast, and it's really hard to say where this is going to end.
The current challenge is speed, speed, speed. Less hardware prototypes to the digital validation.
Access to the data is actually the biggest hurdle. And that's something where you need platforms.
This trend is causing a high level of complexity which needs to be managed in one system.
I typically use the term cross-functional teams across the silos within the company, but also with their suppliers.
And what Altium is doing, we are helping the customers to manage this complexity of the hardware development workflow on the one hand side. On the other hand, we help them to have a global view on the entire system and on the creation process of this electronics. So our vision is to increase our capabilities and our skills to support this growth and to enable our customers to manage this complexity.